In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos as document on WhatsApp on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now select the photos which you want to send as document. I'll select multiple photos. Now once you select the photos, tap on share icon which is present at the bottom left. Now swipe up, select save to files. Now go back. I want to save it on my iPhone. Now tap on save. Now the next step is to open the WhatsApp account. Now select the contact to which you want to send the photos as document. Now tap on plus icon. Select document. Now select the photos. Now tap on open. Now tap on send. So this is how you send photos as documents on your iPhone. For more detailed tutorial, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.